Question: DS. There are two kinds of games, basic and deluxe. If the range of prices for all games combined is $50 and the range of prices for basic games is $10, what is the range of prices for deluxe games? Condition 1. The lowest price of a deluxe game is $2 less than the highest price of the basic game. Condition 2. The highest price of the deluxe game is $40 more than the highest price of a basic game. Solution. Let's solve this DS question using the variable approach. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. So 10 equals B of H minus B of L for basic games, where 10 equals range of prices for basic games. B of H, highest price of the basic game, and B of L equals lowest price of a basic game. Also, R of D equals D of H minus D of L for deluxe games, where R of D equals range of prices for deluxe games. D of H equals highest price of a deluxe game, and D of L equals lowest price of a deluxe game, and the range of prices for all games is $50. We have to find the range of the prices for deluxe games. Follow the second and the third steps. From the original condition, we have 5 variables: R of D, B of H, B of L, D of H, D of L, and 3 equations. 10 equals B of H minus B of L. R of D equals D of H minus D of L. And the range of prices for all games is $50. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need 2 more equations. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide 1 equation each, C would most likely be the answer. Recall 3 principles and choose C as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at conditions 1 and 2 together. Condition 1 tells us the lowest price of a deluxe game is $2 less than the highest price of a basic game. Let's look at the number line below. It is easier to solve the range equation on the number line. Condition 2 tells us the highest price of a deluxe game is $40 more than the highest price of the basic game. The original condition tells us the range of prices for all games is $50 and the range of prices for basic games is $10. Then, the range of prices for deluxe game is $2 plus $40 equals $42. And both condition 1 and condition 2 together give us a unique value of R of D equals 42 and are sufficient by CMT2, which means that the number of answers must be 1. Thus, C seems to be the answer. However, since this question is a statistics question, which is one of key questions and inherently more difficult, we should apply the CMT4A, stating if the answer C is found too easily. Either A or B should be considered as an answer. Therefore, let's take a look at each condition separately. Condition 1 gives us this number line. In this case, the range of prices of deluxe games is $2 plus $40 equals $42. So the condition gives us a unique value of R of D equals 42 and is sufficient by CMT2, which means that the number of answers must be 1. Condition 2 gives us this number line. We cannot determine a unique value of the lowest price of a deluxe game, D of L, so we cannot know the range of prices for deluxe games either. Therefore, condition 2 is not sufficient by CMT2, which means that the number of answers must be 1. If the question has both C and A as its answer, then A is answer rather than C, by the definition of DS questions. This is a high-level GMAT math question, but you can see how the variable approach, in particular common mistake type 3 and 4, A or B, can help get you the correct answer. Always keep in mind when you get C as the answer too easily, you should check condition 1 and condition 2 separately. You should see about CMT4 of these statistics questions on the actual GMAT. Condition 1 alone is sufficient. Thus, A is a correct answer. Answer A.